In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can practice building here in Fortnite Chapter 7. Before we get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But whether you're on controller or keyboard or mouse, improving your building is the fastest way to get better, whether it's faster builds, better fights, or just making less mistakes in-game. The best way to actually go ahead and do this is by just scrolling down from the main page of Fortnite into the Discover tab, which is going to look something like this. And then from here, you just need to go ahead and type something like building or practice in, and then hit enter. And it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. And what I would recommend doing is just going through here and finding some sort of build practice map. It really doesn't matter necessarily which one you do. For building specifically, I like to just go ahead and do any 1v1 map because that gives you, free build range, but something like a free build practice map would work perfect as well. And essentially just get loaded into this, and you can use this iron code if you would like. But from here, practice 90s, tunneling, piece control, advanced build rotations, and fighting while building. And the key is pretty simple. Just practice things you can't do perfectly yet. If you can do something perfectly 100 times in a row, move on to something harder. And then from here, you'll keep improving. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really just helps out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.